Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, your girl. If this is your first time, you just then get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you will watch more of our video or you will just know anytime we put video for you. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So today's topic, we wan go sharp. Now one of our sister, he say your husband sister, not let am drink water, keep cup. The husband sister don vow say she must scatter her marriage. Okay, wetin happen? No waste time, we go straight. She say when she dey Nigeria, she come from a polygamous home, and this guy, so her husband, come from polygamous home too. They dey together, they know each other when they dey very young. The guy come say he go marry her, they come marry, they do all the type of marriage wey they dey do, both court marriage and all of them, they do everything. So the guy come tell am, promise am say he will never have a polygamous home because na there him from come. Even she herself, before dem marry, she still tell the man say abeg, if you marry me, I no dey gree make the marriage join me because I know how I suffer for my papa house because the father marry many wives too. He say so he no want make anything like that happen to her children, or he go come suffer all those suffer wey him mama suffer. Now the guy come tell her say him too na the same shoe na both of them wear, so dem know where e for dey pain dem. Now they say they no go ever have a polygamous home. That was their promise when they promised each other. So they come born one, born two, born three children. They live happily. The man a nice man, the woman too na nice woman. They get the same heart. They get the same good heart. The man good, the woman good, because they born there the same day, the same date. You understand? But the man senior the woman. So as they get their three children, they live fine. So the man come get sister for America, and this is sister na person wey be say she see the hustle well for America. She achieve many things for America. She get salon, she get even daycare for America. You understand? Na person wey be say she dey hustle, so she come fit do some kind paper, so e be say she get right to invite people come from Nigeria to America, and she can't do one. They can't permit the paper because say she get daycare, she gets all these things, you know, they just permit her, and she can't invite all her families. You understand? Like this our lovely sister, so she and her husband with her three children, he invite 5 of them, and na Nigeria they give them green card though. As they all enter America, e not say they just give them permit to stay, they just turn that their green card to permit to stay and everything. There be 18 of them when this woman carry come, because this woman, I know say e no easy, na very hardworking woman, a strong woman, but sometimes if person don do good finish, e no good you can't use your left hand take spoil am. E dey happen to many people like that. So this woman now, he can't invite each family with their children and their wife. He can't invite all of them come America. There be 18 of them, so they can't enter. They can't give their documents. So as they enter, he can't tell the men say make they go find their personal work. Then the women make they come they work for a salon. He can't, before they come, he teach them the kind of things when they do, and when they come see come, they come they help her for a salon. The wives when they inside. So as they help her for the salon, so the rest now they come. He can't tell them say see how much they go just give her, just not be say the money big like that, just little change when maybe na the money wey take support them for one thing or the other. I don't really know, but that will not be anything. I just change, you understand? So e come dey pay them as they work for a salon, but money wey they pay them, they say not be the real money wey other shop they pay workers. And those rest people, they come say say they no fit come dey do a pharmaco job because they still give am money and this and this, that and that. So for that reason, they no go stay with her. They wan go another shop where they receive big money. They come gang up say they wan comot, they come comot. But this woman, this our lovely sister, she come say she no go comot because she remember wear rain for beat am, and he still remember wear sun for dry her. He say if not be this woman, she and her family for not dey America today. So as the rest people comot, she not comot, she come still stay with this woman, come dey help this woman. All the rest people comot, so she can't stay. But later she come dey regret, say like say she know she for comot. So she come stay, she come dey help this woman, and she come sabi work well, and through her many customers come dey come. Even they come even dey tell am say you go open your own, you too good, you too sabi do the work. He come say no, he no go open him own, say he just dey okay for here, despite say the woman no dey pay as other workers dey pay their employee abi employer, anyone take am like that. So he say na so dem come do. He say one day the woman come get problem for her daycare school. The problem wey e get come be say dem come go court, wey be say the woman need to go kirikiri, you understand, for America for there. He say so the woman come dey fight how she go fit take win this case. He say being as say he and the woman don dey together, he dey work for the woman shop. He come tell the woman say okay, no worry, I know one prophet for Nigeria wey be say he go help you, he go pray with you, this case you go win am. He say so he come introduce her to somebody wey know the prophet. Na so the prophet come take help this woman come win the case. She was so happy. Then later this woman come pass, because the person wey introduce this woman to the prophet, na this our sister too, you understand, and she and the prophet they be 5 and 6. So this woman no know say they be 5 and 6. After she don win the case, she don do okay. Now she come go meet the prophet, come follow their back, go meet the prophet, say this work wey you do for me, you try, you do am well, but right now I want me you do another work for me. Wetin you want me I do for you? He say this lady, this our sister, so when you dey this salon, when they work here, he want make you do am, so that she no go ever fit comot for this salon, because everybody don comot finally, she remain and she dey make money through her. Make e do am, make she no ever comot for this salon. Then the prophet come take am say person introduce you to me, say you get problem, they don solve your problem, now you wan come tie the person for ground. Then the prophet come go tell this our sister say see o. Then sister come call am say this your husband sister, he wicked o, upon wetin you dey do for am, wetin wan make am tie you down, you know. He say, he come say no fit tie am. The sister come say make he comot for the shop, say because if he go other place go do this thing, if not be say this man tell them. She come say she no go comot, say she go still stay. She come still stay with her. Then any small thing, he carry catfish pepper soup come. He say this catfish pepper soup na to bring customer come this shop. They say na who dey the shop, that is who dey work for the shop, na he supposed to eat this catfish. If the person eat am, then the shop go come dey move well. He say come say okay, you know, as husband senior sister now with the respect and all that. He say okay, yeah, he go eat the catfish pepper soup. He say come carry, he come keep am for cooler, he come keep am. He say then the akoshe come dey judge am, say this one no be another thing, so you know say my people strong for this life o. If you come eat, maybe not be say na you dem wan come take do ritualist for the store. He say come dey reason say which kind thing be this one? He say na he come call him husband, honey, see wetin your senior sister dey tell me o. He say do something for shop, maybe for dey get more customer. Say they say na person wey dey the shop need to eat the catfish so that more customer go come. Now your husband say wait, I dey come. Now your husband come. He say where the food, he carry the food, he show your husband. Now your husband carry the food, he throw am. He say no eat am. He say no come eat am. He say he come lie to the woman, say he eat am. Everything come good, no quarrel. He say he no take again, be like say where the woman go, they tell am say he no eat am. The woman come go again, come bring another catfish, cause this time around no be pepper soup, catfish. I no know wetin be the catfish, abi get wetin catfish dey do. I no understand why business also catfish. He say come bring another catfish come again. He come say this catfish make you eat am. They say na person wey dey work for the store, na need to eat this catfish so that customer go dey here well. Things dey happen for life for my people. He say come carry the catfish. He come say catfish again, he no go eat o. He say na for there he come dey reason and say this one don dey get too much o. May not be like say one thing go come happen to her. He say no see eat that catfish. He say na from there now she come begin dey get mind to comot for the shop, because that place no safe for her again. He say so later he come tell his sister, say see o, next time come tell am say I tell you say make you comot for this shop o, you no rest o, you no dey hear, you know. So the woman come this time around. E be like say where he waka go, they come tell am say na that his sister dey tell am make e comot for the shop and all that. So you come tell am say that your sister, you know say na that your sister dey worry you. You come say wetin concern me concern my sister, wey my sister go worry me? Wetin my sister wan worry me for? I born pikin, I marry, I dey okay, I dey America. Wetin my sister wan worry me for? He say your sister na wish o, your mama na wish o. He say e come dey use am dey worry am. When I come dey try to create that hatred for inside her, make she for hate im mama, hate im family. Maybe na im mama dey stand for am, because you know say some mama dem dey stand for their pikin. You no go even know say your mama dey stand for you. When they don waka they don see say na your mama na stand for you, they go come want to clear your mama comot for road. They go make you hate your mama so that they fit get you. He say as he come tell am, now he come to say how im mama go be wish, im mama come and im sister go dey worry am. He say na there he come to say if he continue to stay here, e go be say he no come get family again, he go come hate him family. Na this woman he go come take for all her family. He say na that one he come take vex. He come tell the woman say he wan comot for your shop o, he no dey work for your shop again. That woman say when you wan take comot, he say month ending. He say no month ending too far, make comot a week. Then he say okay, before you know na so she take stop the work. He say as she take stop that work, na there wahala starts. He said the woman come dey vex, dey say why she comot. He say na come talk say why this woman dey vex for me like this? Other people comot, they no even stay 1/4 of where he stay or work as im work. They comot, na you still carry their call, then you no do anything to them. Why be say na you come different? Like say no, that time all those people comot, na that time for still carry kanya comot o. All this wahala for no dey ground down. He say come dey talk like that. He say na so the woman come dey tell them im friends, anybody see, and na so he comot for a shop o, he go deal with am, he go do this one. He say come sit quiet like say he no dey hear anything. He say meanwhile that daycare school wey she get, her own children, her 2 children no dey go the daycare school, na another school dem dey go. Being na say she get daycare school and government dey pay her some money for the children, get money wey government dey pay her, she need to submit some kind document, dem go dey pay her. And they say when Donald Trump enter, e come change some kind law, so the law come affect her wey be say before na automatic they take dey pay. Now the parents of the children need to submit some kind document for them to pay the 2 children. Normally they pay her the 2 children money when the 2 children no dey go the school. He say they can't change the law, so they can't need some kind paper for her. Then she can't tell her say okay, they need this paper, make you bring this paper, come make it fill the form, so that they'll begin to pay those 2 children. To all these years that they pay those children, you know, they give the parents the money. Now this woman come say okay, this woman come say he dey busy, he go try, he dey work, when they do another work, he go try make him bring the paper come for. I say he no able take anything. He said but now there somebody come tell am say they just dey put story o, you know, he just dey tell the person say you see this my husband sister, I no dey work with her again and all that. Say but he wan just go give am this paper for Christ's sake, because of say as he take stuff for this thing, and so the narrator dey go say go scatter im marriage, he go do this one. He say anyway because of going go submit the paper. Now the person come tell am say which paper you wan submit? Say now na Trump na enter. If you just submit that paper, your children no dey go the school, e go affect you and you go land yourself for inside kirikiri. He say make you no try am. So na think he come reason am say na truth o, because your children dey go another school and he come dey submit paper for this his sister daycare school, and they can't get to know because Trump no be person wey dey take dey play. He no fit for wahala. Say na there he no come give am paper, na there the big wahala for come start. He no bring the paper o, he no see the children money o, he forget say law don change, he no see the children money o, and he remove sugar for him mouth o, na so he go do this, he go do that. He say he no still talk o. He come tell him husband say make he no worry, everything was so okay for them. Then yarn the husband still dey that dey sweet. The next thing the woman come dey put fire for the brother body, and no marry this woman again, leave am. Then the man come to say my wife no do anything, wetin go make me leave my wife? He say before you know wetin dey happen, the woman come by herself, oh God, he come go meet lawyer, go take divorce paper, come give the man say he don take divorce paper, make the man come sign, because you know say the woman na him get level for America there. Then the man come say he no fit sign because his wife never offend am. Wetin wan make him sign say he wan leave his wife? He say he must sign. Then he come to say he no dey sign. He say that one come finish. Now the woman say okay, no problem, this your wife, you must leave am. You know, the husband come say tell am for us. He come say he come dey pray say, oh God, which kind wahala be all this one? Then this woman so he pikin wan do marriage for Nigeria. He come invite this our sister husband. Then that one come go Nigeria. Before they even go to Nigeria, this woman say no now 2 days to the to go to Nigeria. Then say no, say your husband, sister pikin dey do marriage. They not let her know. Say Scotland say your sister pikin dey do marriage. You no even tell me you dey go Nigeria. He say his sister say make he not tell her. He say come say okay o. He say na so he take go Nigeria. As he reach Nigeria now, he come go jam one of his ex-girlfriends. As he come jam her for the marriage day, they just dey talk. As his sister just see the girl. Now so the sister carry wrapper. He tie the girl for back. He say na you na my brother go marry. That his wife, you know, dey marry again. Before you know wetin dey happen, he come lure the girl inside the family. And then the man come start again with that girlfriend. And when the man come reach back to America, water don pass bridge, too much water. He come fall in love with that girl. Whether his sister come still go do something put na that one she say she no know. But he come fall in love with that girl. Any small thing na that girl. So he can't even use the girl name take store use love take store the girl number for phone. He even use the girl picture for profile picture. Then she come dey say, which can't it be this one? No be so you tell me, we promise each other say polygamous son. No way. Why you want bring polygamous son come this our lovely family? Marriage of 25 years. But if you see that they are very young, you know, talking about 25 years marriage. They are very, very young. Their pikin self, their first pikin self, e dey 24 years and be 25 years, going to 25 years too. You understand? 4 children. Go to say, you want just let this marriage go like this? The man not the year again. Now the girl 24 hours. Now so they send money to the girl. Now so the girl go dey at his own free time. Now that girl dey line. Now that girl they play love. Now they do everything. Wife not be wife again. Now you come they see the ugliness for the woman body. You know, see everybody for this life get ugly parts. And nobody will not get ugly parts. But if love dey, that love go cover that ugly part. You know go see am. But if that love come out, now that ugly part you dey see, the good side you know go dey see again. Now that time the man come to talk say, now say you short, which time I even marry you? You short you too short now. They say go dey look the man. Make the man come shop ample. You know the great shop ample. If the man want shop ample, he go first go drink. If he don't drink, you know where he dey again. Then he take the shop ample. Without saying he no drink, he know the fish shop ample. This is the man wey be say, he say if you even chop the apple sef, he go the walking stick. Now so he go be like the way he so call here. He go dey do prayer put for walking stick. Cause he go dey massage am, walking stick get up walking stick get up he go dey massage. He go dey do am. He go dey pray put for say in mind. Oh God, let am still work today. Make it still shop up. I don't dey miss my husband. I don't dey miss my husband. Make this work still stand up today. Make it still shop up. He say go dey use hands. They do the walking stick. Make it for stand up so that make your husband for shop up. He say because the walking stick, if you don't near her, because say the love, they don't kill the love for the man heart. If you don't near her, walking stick go you make for like the way so call here. He said this is the man when be say he walking stick na kokoroko kakaraka. When be say he go dey carry the walking stick, dey pursue and dey run up and down for all the house. He go dey say abeg, I don tire, I no do again. Abeg, pack yourself, bro, I no do again. He say na so dey carry dey pursue up and down for house. He say he go say he no go do. He say but since when this sister come involve walking stick, he no dey get up again for this our sister. They go do. At the end, nothing niente as they talk. Apple, you know, call the chop. This woman, she did there the whole itself. What did they happen? Maybe if this man go outside now, the walking stick go stand kokoroko kakaraka. But for a wife body, you know they stand again. They don't go do one. Make it not stand again for a wife body. You man really they see something for body. So women they see something. He say, go say okay. no wahala. Na so he come dey pray. Later the work, he still come dey try to dey get up, but now drink now he come take dey get up because the love e no dey there again. And the sister dey vow say lie e no go marry e brother. E brother must go marry that girl for Africa. He go dey remember im husband. You remember wetin we talk for the beginning, say no polygamous, we don suffer. Make we stay together with our children, let this our love make it last. Now come ask am say, how you feel for your husband? Do you still have that love for him? Do you still feel for him? He say he love his husband like never before. Even up till now, he still love am because he no ever imagine say he go leave his husband. He love his husband, but he confused. He no know wetin he want to for this kind matter. How he wan go about it? Because his sister don talk am say come rain come sun. His brother no go marry am reach evening. Anything brother go leave am. He come dey use wrapper carry that girl for back. So till he come even call the girl. He come tell the girl say this man wey you dey follow so na married man with children o. The girl, he call the girl for phone, the girl no pick. Then the girl come send her text say make dem dey text for WhatsApp. He no dey talk for phone. Then he come text am say leave this man alone. Don't snatch my husband. This is my lovely husband. We have 4 kids. The woman say not before to na your husband na he come meet me o. You see na so the woman tell am. He come say okay as he come meet you abeg make you leave am for me. Find your own husband because if you dey with my own you no fit get your own. He say that one no concern now. Na him husband he go talk to. He say even the way they say am na no be even the girl be the problem. Na the sister-in-law, the husband sister. He say na that one be the problem. He say because before even they chat with this girl, they say make him try make him call this girl for WhatsApp. This girl don do conference call without say she no even know. You understand? The sister dey hear everything, all the messages he forward down to the husband sister. The husband sister see dey bragado dey go say him don talk am. I know say that you carry am come America fine, but remember all the people wey you carry come, all the rest don run leave you. Only this one wey stay with you. No matter what, you no fit do good finish use left hand take spoil all the good wey you don do. If I talk say this woman offend you because of that children this thing for your daycare, but remember say if this woman give you this paper because this President Trump no be man wey dey take dey play any small thing kaka, and you know as the way they do Nigeria matter now, then you wan make this woman go risk her life for all this kind thing. But the woman no wan hear. He still dey talk say lie his brother can never marry this woman. Now ask this woman say okay wetin you want now? Wetin be the issue wey you want now? He say still love his husband. He say right now his husband still dey take care of that girl, dey do everything for that girl. He come tell your husband say he come carry your husband sit down. Abeg my husband, leave this girl no dey make you dey concentrate for our family again. Leave this girl, I beg you. Then the husband say yeah make he give am time. He go leave am. He say make he give am time. And since that time when the man no take go out again, e don be 2 years now. He never go Nigeria again and this girl never see, but they still dey talk 247. He still dey send money to am. You understand? So I don't know wetin una think about this matter because they see the chat, they do everything wey they do together. The girl picture still dey the screensaver. He still use my love to store this girl number. He said but make he give am time. He go leave her. Say because he don tell when he and the girl know that the time when she with this her wife dey Nigeria wey they never come America, now he tell know this girl. As it come go by they tell no, and somebody date the girl back when they give the girl power. You know say if your husband dey date woman for outside them, if the family no give that girl power, the relationship no go work. But if the husband family give the girl power, come begin they give the girl the other side of the wife, say na so the wife do this, the girl go dey get power. He no like to leave that man alone because he get somebody wey support am. Na be this woman case now because the sister support am 247 say make he not leave his brother. Na his brother wan marry because this one they don kick am off, and the husband now they tell am say give me time, I go leave this girl. So my precious people, my beautiful people, wetin una think? make e really give this man time make e take leave this girl. He no know wetin he wan do because he say he no wan comot for husband house o, but he no wan take polygamous home. He still love him husband well. Wetin una think, my people? This matter e dey complicated o. You understand? The man no dey beat am. You say the man no dey beat am. The man na lovely man, na caring man. The problem na be that girl, because he know say him husband dey plan to go Nigeria. Now if you just go Nigeria, na okpari be that o. Okpari. So my people, my precious people, my beautiful people, my responsible people, abeg this matter, abeg more help our sister. And I dey thank una too for all the help wey be say una dey put una comment for the voice record. E be like say I go dey forward their response to all of una. Only say for the comment section I no fit dey forward the response, but people wey dey send me voice record, I go dey forward all the response to una. Una dey see how grateful they be, they really dey happy. Thank you so much for coming around again. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you again and again for helping, for supporting this platform. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, please do not forget that hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, say go watch more of our video, or you go dey support us. As it is not be saying now let me why they support you. Even people when be say they're in this press, they see you see they support them, you understand. So their mind they cool down. I bet this video don't long. Hey, my cut. Okay, thank you, bye bye, ciao.